Hey creative friends, welcome back to Color Splash Studio, where art meets imagination. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss our colorful creations. As we celebrate Independence Day today, we are making something truly special, a Tricolour Mandala Bookmark. It's easy, it's beautiful, and it's the perfect gift for friends, teachers, or to keep in your favorite book. Here's what you'll need: a thick white bookmark size art paper. I have used a 200 GSM paper and cut a 6 into 21 centimeter long strip. Ruler, pencil, poster paints or watercolors, a blue marker pen or sketch pen, compass or round object for mandala art, a flat paint brush, tricolor ribbons, a paper punch, invisible tape, and scissors. Step 1. Base preparation. Tape the bookmark on 4 sides with an invisible tape covering a margin of around 0.5 centimeters. Step 2. Tricolor borders. Dampen the bookmark with water. On the sides of the bookmark, diagonally paint saffron on the top and green at the bottom. Leave a neat white space in the middle for the mandala. Leave it to dry. Once dry, remove the tape from the 4 sides. Step 3. Mandala base. Using a compass or round object, draw concentric circles in the center. This will be our Ashok Chakra-inspired mandala. Step 4. Mandala design. Add delicate mandala patterns inside each circle. Keep it symmetrical for the best effect. Use a blue marker or a sketch pen to give the finishing touches to the design. Step 5. Finishing touches. Punch a hole at the top and add a tassel or ribbon in any of the tricolour threads. And there you have it, your stunning Independence Day mandala bookmark. If you like this tutorial, show your love by liking this video and dropping our Indian tricolour flag in the comments to celebrate our freedom. And remember to subscribe and share this with your friends so they can join our creative family too. Art is the best way to express our love for our country. And now you have a little piece of it in your favorite book. This is Ria from Color Splash Studio signing off. Until next time, keep creating, keep smiling, and keep adding color to your life. Happy Independence Day!